Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below to become part of the FONSIFAM family. Well, today I want to let you guys know that I'm going to do a DIY video. I'm going to start fixing the wall from the back. I bought that frame at Ross, I believe, for like $6.99 or $7.99. So Mia está viendo videos. Mia's watching videos so that I could be able to do the video as well. I have templates done already. I cut them out from the templates. I'm going to do like pink colors that could match like the frame and my bed sheet colors. This one. Because there's not a lot of light, so I can't show you much. Let me try to add light, okay? Give me a second. Hold on. Hot glue gun going. It's already connected, so I'm just waiting for it to get hot. And I'm going to do the one that I already have completed, because I still have to do all of that set. I think I have the purple one done. Okay. So I'm going to do this purple. It's 2 shades. The last it was not meant to be 2 shades, but I ran out of paper, so I had to pick another one, and I didn't want to restart the whole thing. So I'm like, okay, well, it's not gonna look bad. So it's this purple with this other purple a little darker. This is going to be the back part. So for the template, what we did, because my sister-in-law helped me, we just got a regular piece of paper, and we're using like the ones that you get from Michael's, and sometimes they have them on sale for like $4.99, so it's a good deal for all the pack, like the big pack. This one's the Valentine's one that I got on Valentine's, but I have the one that's the pastels as well. So I'm going to start by getting my scissors and cutting through the middle, through here, so that I could glue them together. Okay, so you cut through here, like so, and you're going to go like this, so that it could become like a little cup where you're gonna glue. Okay. So I'm going to do that to all of them. Cut about like an inch. Cut like an inch so that it could become like this, okay? I also wanted to let you guys know, if you're new, it's mostly like a family channel. That's more like a ½ inch. It's like a family channel, what we run here. But I'm starting to make it into a series channel, like I mentioned in one of our videos. One of our previous videos. So I'm going to start doing what I like, which is my hobbies, and I'm gonna be doing makeup. I'm gonna be doing DIYs. I'm going to be doing a bunch of other little things so that I could have, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so Mia's in the back, and sometimes I want to do what I want to do, right, like all of the mothers. So when Mia is distracted, that's when I'm going to be filming, and I tried to maintain a schedule. There was like 2 weeks ago, I uploaded Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and it went good. We actually got like a five more subscribers when I did that. I know consistency brings you subscribers, but long story short, sometimes I don't have time. Sometimes I'm just behind my daughter the whole time. So I'm just going to be filming. I'm going to try to film twice a week so that I could post for you guys. And since I am the one that edits the videos as well, it's a little bit hard because I want my beauty sleep too. Look at all my ojeras. So I'm the one that edits. So I wait till Mia and my husband go to sleep so that I could have the time to edit. And then I'm there till like 3 in the morning. And I don't have great editing. I know that. Some of my videos are not that great. I'm learning as I'm going, and it is hard. It is hard for me filming and then being all day with my daughter and then trying to edit in the middle of the night, so I need my sleep too. Anywho, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be trying to upload a little bit more often, like try to have a consistency So my plan is to upload, or to film Monday and Wednesday, so I could upload Tuesday and Thursday, so I could have a day, like a night or a day to film for you guys and to edit. Okay, so I have 3 sizes, as you guys saw me cutting. This was the big one. This one's the medium. You can see the difference. And then this one's the small one. I made 5 of these size, sorry. 4 of these and 3 of these. So after I have this, I'm going to cut a circle in whatever paper. It could be whatever color, but I don't have like a board, so I am going to use. Dile hola, Mia. Mia's already gonna join us. Hola. Diles qué vamos a hacer. No. Tú no vas a usar las tijeras. Tú dibuja el círculo. No, mi amor. Dibuja el círculo aquí para cortarlo. Or you could roll them before or after. But I was gonna do it after I have them glued. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Diles okay. We're gonna add more glue, hot glue, and cross. Tú las agarras, ¿ok? Ten cuidado porque todavía está calientita la pegadura. Glue and cross. Pegamos y cruzamos. Oh. Sí. Pegamos y no. Y cruzamos. Bravo. Ok, ¿cuántos llevamos? 1, no. 2, 3. No, ese es un círculo, ese no cuenta. Cuenta nada más los pétalos de las flores. 4, van 4. Falta 1. ¿Dónde? Okay, I'll be back. Mia. Diles. Nice. That's why she's so attached to me. Diles, we'll be right back. Dile, ahorita venimos. Diles. ¿Por qué nos vamos a callar? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué hay? ¿Puedo seguir haciendo la flor o voy a tener que hacer el video mañana? ¿Eh? Mira, aquí está el gis. ¿Quieres ir a pintarlo? Sí, ándale, voy a pintar acá. Ándale, acá, en este. Pinta aquí en esta hoja, así como hicimos los colores. Okay. Mientras que Mia está pintando el círculo, I'm gonna start gluing these. Line. You put a little dot or a little line, whatever you want, here, y we press it. We have a little cup. Here, tenemos un vasito. Okay, ahí está una. Once we have these, you could fold them or you could roll them before or after. But I was going to do it after I have them glued. Okay? Yeah. Okay, diles okay. We're going to add more glue, hot glue, and cross. Tú las agarras, okay? Ten cuidado porque todavía está calientita la pegadura. Glue and cross. Pegamos y cruzamos. Oh. Sí. Pegamos y no. Y cruzamos. Bravo. Ok, ¿cuántos llevamos? 1, no. 2, 3. No, ese es un círculo, ese no cuenta. Cuenta nada más los pétalos de las flores. 4, van 4. Falta 1. It's passing by. Wait. ¿Cómo le hace el tren? Chico. Es chuchu. just trying to see it through the window. I don't think the light's doing much of a difference. I don't know if I should turn it off or not. Oh, wanted to let you guys know that we do have an Instagram page and we do have a TikTok page. We started doing TikToks little by little, but we're getting there. A ver, mamá. ¿Quieres que te abra eso? ¿Sí? A ver. Acá, ponte a jugar acá para poder usar la de esta caliente. We have an Instagram. We're under THEFONSIFAM. We also have TikTok. It's also under THEFONSIFAM. And we have Snapchat. It's under THEFONSIFAM. I'm barely getting the hang of Snapchat. So Instagram, I already got the hang of it because that's where I post the most. And TikTok, we're getting the hang of it too. I am going to open a Facebook page because since we're going to do one flower for now, porque Mia is all over the place. And then if I don't get to finish the video, I will probably put like not a part 2 because I don't want to have you guys like part 1, part 2. If I don't get to edit it by tonight, I'll probably start doing it the next day. Mira, ¿dónde dejaste el pétalo morado? I have no idea. Look at Mia jumping in the bed. Mia, no brinques en la cama. Diles hola. Diles hola. No, dales un besito. ¡Mua! Muy bien. Diles, Mia, suscríbanse a nuestro canal. ¡Yay! Okay. Give me a second. I'm trying to look for the purple petal. I don't know if my daughter got it or what happened to it. Let me check entre este montoncito. This is the template that we used. It's not in here. I found it. It's on the floor. Under the bed. Ah! Ya lo salvé. True colors when you're trying to make a video and you have a daughter. It's hard, guys. It's hard. But I'm maintaining. I'm trying to do this. I don't want to quit on you guys, and I don't want to quit on myself. So I've always wanted to do this. I just never had the push to start the YouTube channel and to start anything. But I finally decided to do that, and I'm so excited that we did. I know it's taking time to grow, which I have no problem with. So while she's distracted, I'm gonna go and pass. So I already have it folded. I'm just gonna put the glue dot here and glue it into my base. Like so. Like this. And I'm just gonna go around it, okay? Glue. Hold on, I glued the wrong color. What was this color next? Okay. Glue. Yay, ya viene el correo. Hopefully my boxy charm is here. So I uploaded a picture in my Instagram. Well, in our Instagram, but I'm the one that mostly uses Instagram. With one of the boxy charms look that I made. And I was considering on doing the video on the look. As maybe my first makeup video. You know how I told you guys? So this is the first little aisle with the 5. 2 of the colors got repeated, but that's fine with me. Had no option, so that's fine with me. Okay, now I was only able to fold one, so I wanted to show you guys that. And then this one I folded, but very little. So I'm gonna fold them really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay? Show you guys how I'm rolling it. I put the Sharpie right in the beginning of the corner of the flower, and I just roll. Mande, mama. I roll the petal. There you go. do the same. I roll the petal. And I do the same for the middle. The middle's small, so it doesn't matter. Just need one more to roll. So here's how they look once they're rolled. And I'm gonna cut like the outer so that it won't show in the back. So I'm gonna do the other layer and I'll be back. So we're just gonna do the same thing. Hold on, before I go out. We're gonna put this right here in between where those two petals are at, right there. So that it could cover like this. Cover, 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 cover. So there's four little holes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's 5 little holes, but try to just cover around it, okay? And then do the same for the other 3. I'll be back, okay? The flower looks. It looks cute. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut around the pink and I'm gonna do the gold part, okay? Where did I leave the scissors? Scissors. And if you do have a Cricut, this is a lot easier. You don't have to, well, it's easy to do them too. Like, say that it's not easy. I'm just gonna cut around it because I don't want the pink to show much. If you have a Cricut, the Cricut actually cuts the petals for you, and there's already a few like templates done by other people in the Cricut system. So you could just put the paper, put it in your mat, and cut it. But it is going to cut one by one if they're like big petals, like these, or like no, I think if it's like 4, because if it's 12 by 12, it'll fit you 4 of the big ones, so you're good. But I'd rather do them by hand. More hands-on. I get to unstress myself a little bit because I love doing DIYs and it unstresses me. And what do I get stressed about it? I'm just a stay-at-home mom, but sometimes stay-at-home moms do get stressed. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so I cut it like that. It looks like a messed up flower, but from the bottom, from the front, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna do the gold part, and then I'll be right back. Pew! Just gonna add the gold trim here in the middle. Okay, let me do that one really quick. I started drawing these little weird shapes. A circle, it's like a, I don't know. Oh, excuse me. No, ahí no, Mia. Tápale. So I started drawing these because this is going to be the gold part. And you guys turn it around, it's gold paper. No, mama. Here one. And then I'm going to cut them out and put them in the center. So this is the frame that I got from Ross. It says, children are a gift from God. Thing like this. Well, not just like that. I don't know if I'm going to put it just around or on top, like a whole line on top or around the whole frame. For now, I'm just doing this one. I'll finish the rest that we already have, like the little templates we have done. Maybe tonight when Mia's asleep. ¿Qué fue, mama? But for now, I'm gonna do this one, and I guess I'm gonna have to extend the video into part 2. I'm going to extend the video into part 2. So I showed you how I made the flower. I'm gonna continue doing more, and I didn't want to do this. I'm sorry, but I have to because I didn't have time to finish the rest of the flowers and to finish decorating the back. So right now it's simple. I took off the frame. Pues no lo quité, se cayó. So we took it off already, and just stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to our social medias. They're all linked down below. Vamos a decirles bye. Diles bye. Dales un besito. Love you guys. Stay tuned.